Hello viewers, this is Aravindar Annai Arul channel welcomes you. How are you? In this video we have to see Vice President Venkaiah Naidu dedicated a 1.5 megawatt rooftop solar power plant at JIPMER, Pondicherry. He called on the governments to raise awareness of solar power. For more information, we shall go to inside the video. I kindly request all the viewers to watch this video in full. Now we shall move to inside the video. Make rooftop solar panels, rainwater harvesting mandatory in big buildings, according to Vice President Venkaiah Naidu. Vice President M Venkaiah Naidu on Sunday appealed to all states and local bodies to make installation of rooftop solar panels and rainwater harvesting mandatory for large buildings and government organizations, along with ensuring sufficient light and ventilation. Dedicating the 1.5 megawatt rooftop solar power plant at JIPMER to the nation, Naidu said that the time has come for all states and local bodies to consider adopting the model building bylaws for new constructions. Solar rooftop plants, solar water heaters, and rainwater harvesting must be made mandatory for certain category of buildings exceeding the specified size or power consumption. Doorstep, he said, adding that large institutions and public sector organizations must strive towards sustainability in their operations by using renewable energy. He suggested greater adoption of rooftop solar plants in industries and big establishments like universities and government buildings and godowns. It will not only benefit the organization at a micro level by saving costs, but will also benefit the nation as a whole as we strive towards sustainable development, said the Vice President, stating that India is fast moving towards becoming the global leader for energy transition. He hailed the recent landmark of 100 gigawatt of installed renewable energy capacity in India. Naidu observed that rooftop plants use empty areas on buildings, generate power close to the point of consumption, and reduce transmission losses. The Vice President called for state, central, and union territories governments to work together as Team India to popularize the tapping of solar energy and bring about greater awareness among people on the benefits of installing solar panels on the rooftops. He called for massive campaigns to publicize the subsidy programs for solar rooftop systems and the resultant electricity savings. People must understand that the initial cost of setting up a solar plant after subsidy is offset by the benefits in the long run, he said. Referring to the lessons from the pandemic, Naidu stressed the importance of ventilation and air circulation in buildings. Sunlight is a natural disinfectant. Our ancestors understood this as it reflected in their planning and construction of houses, the Vice President noted. He underscored the need to create living and working spaces with ample ventilation and natural light in order to maintain good health. Naidu also commended medical institutions like JIPMER for showing extraordinary resolve during the pandemic and rising to the occasion. He said that due to the collective efforts of such institutions, doctors, medical staff, and healthcare workers, the country has been fighting the pandemic effectively. Lieutenant Governor of Puducherry, Dr. Tamilisai Soundarajan, Chief Minister N. Rangasamy, Speaker Puducherry Assembly, Embalam R. Selvam, Lok Sabha MP V. Vaidalingam, MLA from Puducherry, V. Armugam, Director, JIPMER, Puducherry, Dr. Rakesh Agarwal, and others were present during the event. Hello viewers, from this video you can know Vice President Venkaiah Naidu dedicated a 1.5 megawatt rooftop solar power plant at JIPMER, Pondicherry. He called on the government to raise awareness of solar plant. If you are liking this video means kindly press the like button as well as share to your friends and relatives. I kindly request to all the viewers to subscribe this Aravindar Annai Arul channel. Thank you for watching this video in full. Once again, thank you very much.